The formula of frequency equals to 1 upon time period. If time period is given, then you use this formula, frequency equals to 1 upon time period, or you can say that time period equals to 1 upon frequency, because time period and frequency are reciprocal to each other. Okay, but if time period is not given, only oscillation or vibration is given and time is given, then the formula of frequency equals to number of oscillations or vibrations. Okay, or vibrations. So frequency equals to number of oscillation upon time taken, not time period, time taken. So this is the first formula and this is the second formula for frequency. This formula you use when oscillations and time is given. Okay, and this formula we use when time period is given. Then this is the formula of finding the frequency. Okay, the fifth question of your exercise, NCERT exercise, is a pendulum oscillates 40 times. 40 times oscillate 40 times in 4 seconds. It means that here time is given, not time period. 4 seconds, that means time is given, and 40 times vibration, that means this is number of oscillation. So we use this formula in this question, not this formula. Okay, so the solution is frequency equals to number of oscillation, that means 40 upon time taken. Time is 4 seconds. So answer is 10 Hertz. You can solve this question by another method. How? You know that the frequency is number of oscillation per second. Per second, that means in 1 second. So here the oscillation are given in 4 seconds. So you write oscillation in 4 seconds. Oscillations in 4 seconds equals to 40. So oscillation in 1 second, because oscillation in 1 second is frequency. Okay, so oscillation in 1 second equals to, जैसे सेम जैसे आप मैथ्स में यूनिटरी मेथड यूज करते हो, 4 सेकंड की वैल्यू 40 है तो आपकी 1 की निकालने के लिए क्या करते हो, डिवाइड. सो 40 अपॉन 4. सो आंसर इज 10 हर्ट्ज, सॉरी 10. नाउ दिस इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी, सो वी यूज यूनिट 10 हर्ट्ज. Also we have to find, if we find the value of time period, then you can reciprocal is 1 upon 10. So in this question the time period is 1 upon 10 second. Okay.